Okay, here I am in Challenge Apples and Banana classes. So color those classes. What it's asking us to do is add two style rules, one that will apply to apples and the other one that will apply for bananas, and it'll change their colors. So if we come over here, we can look at the hint. And I notice that I'm going to start typing right under the first style tag, and then I will finish it before the next one. So I'll come right over here, line 7, and that's where I should be. Now, I don't really know what I'm supposed to write. It's like some words in curly bracket, and then some words in colon, and some words in semicolon, another curly bracket. But I do know that I'm looking for classes. So, CSS classes. So I'm going to go down to documentation, and I'm going to scroll down until I get to CSS selectors, and I wanted the class selector. So I'm going to click on that. And here are some class selectors, and this is what we need to do. We need to color the background. So if I come right over here, and on line 8, it's got a class selector, because I know it's a class selector because it has a period. Class selectors have the period, so I'm going to do from hot city down to this curly cube. I'm going to copy that code because I know that I might mess up if I just try to type it in. And so now I'm going to come over here to line 7, and paste it in. But of course it says up here you need to use an element selector, or you're trying to use an element selector. Well, I'm not. I've got a class selector, but I need to name it apples because that's the class. They already did the class down here. The class is apples. Then I need one that will say bananas. So I'm going to paste it in the hot city, but I'm going to change it to bananas. Oops, but I don't want them both red. So I'll go over here for yellow for bananas, but you can make it any color you want. Okay, then it says keep going. I'm going to go the next step. And let's look at what it wants me to do. It says now the final line has no classes on the strong tags. So right down here, there aren't any classes. They did it for the rest, but they didn't do it for these. And so I'm going to go up to the hint, and it says I need to do it to the strong tag, and add it there, and apples, and have the strong tag. So what I'm trying to do is come all the way down here, and see how these have strong class equals apples and ooples, and it has them right there. This line doesn't look like this line, and I need it to. So I'm going to go down here, and I'm going to take this actually. I'm just going to copy it, and I'm going to paste it in here. That one did that. And now here I'm going to go down to bananas, and I can see that the word bananas doesn't have any class selector. So I'm going to go up to one of those and take it and paste it in. I figured it out. So now it looks like that. So those last two lines are kind of tricky. There they are.